How to check WhatsApp backup messages in Google Drive. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open WhatsApp, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings at the bottom. After that, simply click on Chats. In Chats, scroll down till you find Chat Backup. Click on it and then click on Google account. Make sure your Google account is selected. After your Google account is selected, press on backup at the top and everything will be backed up on your Google. And this is how to check WhatsApp backup messages in Google Drive. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.